O'Connock on the farm. Winesh Maba. What is this? When describing an object, and the object is animate, we use the word Maba. Winesh Maba. What is this? Bijike Maba. This is a cow. Winesh Maba. What is this? Bagakwe Maba. This is a chicken. Winesh Maba. What is this? Bejagonji Maba. This is a horse. Winesh Maba. What is this? Nabasen Maba. This is a rooster. Winesh Maba. What is this? Gokosh Maba. This is a pig. Winesh Maba. What is this? Montanus Maba. This is a sheep. Winesh Maba. What is this? Namosh Maba. This is a dog. Winesh Maba. What is this? Gajag Maba. This is a cat. Winesh Maba. What is this? Mashabos Maba. This is a goat. Winesh Maba. What is this? Fish Kisi Maba. This is a goose.